Hi guys, it's your girl Lovely Peaches. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please leave a subscribe. First of all, my fans, I want to say I love you guys so much for your love and your support and your constant just sticking with me and just being there for me. So I want to thank all my fans. I love you guys so much with all my heart. I decided to do this little YouTube video because I don't know, people are saying I should start doing unboxings. So today I will be unboxing a new iPhone. Okay. We got this. Anyways, I guess there's nothing I could do with that. And then we have the phone itself. Oh yeah, I'm unboxing the iPhone. I probably should have said that earlier, huh? Sorry y'all, I was looking at this thing. Okay, so right now we have a new iPhone. And now I'm gonna open the phone. And now we have the phone, we have the charger, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching my unboxing video. We have this bubble wrap, and yeah, my Snapchat is PLovesYou2, PLOVESYA and the number 2, PLOVESYA and the number 2, PLovesYou2, PLovesYou2. PLovesYou2, PLOVESYA and the number 2. Thank you for watching my YouTube video. Peaches loves ya. Mwah.